Welcome to the ArmaniTalks YouTube channel. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this channel, I'm covering communication skills for you to level up your way with words, become much more articulate. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about content creation and more specifically, why you should get a GoPro. Now in today's talk, I'm not going to drop any affiliate links whatsoever because it's not necessarily me promoting GoPro, but more so a mindset. I think if you're going on vacation, or better yet, living your life, one of the most underrated things you can do is document it. If you've ever read my book, Level Up Mentality, which is listed right on here, a guide to re-engineer your mindset for confidence, one thing that I bring up is the power of chronicling your journey. When you chronicle your journey, you become much more mindful of your day-to-day life. Now, one beautiful way to chronicle it is to videotape it. Not just write about it, but videotape it. A lot of times in self-improvement, we're talking about journaling, which is a great habit, but we don't talk enough about vlogging. I mean, if you document your life, you can look back at it and you can see something amazing. You see your younger self, you see where you used to be, and now you are proud. With the GoPro, it's an amazing tool in my opinion because it's so small. It's not one of those things where it feels like you have to reorganize your entire pockets just to carry it, or you have to carry a backpack or anything. It just fits right into your pocket, and this encourages you to utilize it more. Another cool thing with the GoPro is that it's waterproof. So every now and then, if you're trying to go swimming, if you're trying to go to the beach, you can actually take it into the water. It activates different parts of you when you're documenting your life from different angles. One thing that we used to talk about in Toastmasters was, if you really want to overcome your fear of public speaking, you want to join roughly 2 to 3 clubs. Why? It's because you're practicing with different audiences. The more diverse arrays of faces that you see, the more confident that you feel. You think, wait, I'm talking to so many different people, I don't have speech anxiety anymore. I'm confident. And it's the same thing with living your life. If you're only taking videos of you in the house, you're not going to feel that much confident in your ability to deal with different scenarios. But if you have content from your work, your home, in the water, now you're seeing that, whoa, I have a wide range of experiences. I believe getting a GoPro is underrated because it completely changes your mindset. It makes you want to chronicle yourself a little bit more. Recently, I came from a cruise and I made a big mistake. With my GoPro, there was this case that was outside of it, but this GoPro was from 2017. I just found it, and I guess this case got lost. So I got this GoPro without the case and I took it underwater. And within an hour or two, this GoPro, it messed up. It was documenting so much of my cruise, but unfortunately, somewhere in the middle of the cruise, it stopped working. You know what I thought as soon as I came back? I'm going to buy another one. These GoPros are roughly $250 to $500, but I did not bat an eye. I am going to buy another one because this time, as I hit 33 at the time of recording this episode, I just feel as though if I documented more of my life, I could have been appreciative for much more. So when this GoPro broke, I said, look, I am absolutely going to buy another one, and I'm going to document a lot of these adventures that I am taking. Get a GoPro or get a camera, or just use the camera in your phone. Just get in the habit of documenting your life more, and you will see where you were back then and how far you have come. If you enjoyed today's talk, drop that like for me right down below. Hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and never miss another episode again.